Well, hello everyone. It's Gianni Ubriaco, the Soul Pilot with you again. Thanks so much for joining me. Happy Family Day. Hope you all are having a wonderful time. It's a time to give thanks for our families, spend time with our families, to really acknowledge how blessed we are, and also to recognize how we're all family, and to be reminded of that every single day. We are all connected, and we are all one. So close your eyes, relax, take some time to go within your heart center, connecting with God, with the Creator, with the angels, with everything and with everyone. Just hold that intent. Allow yourself to open up, to let go of any other distractions, any other concerns, and just focus on the fact that we are all one. We are all connected. Breathe that in. Letting go of any doubt. We are all one. Letting that sink in. We are one great big family. We are all brothers and sisters. We are all unified. We are all in this together. We are all here, helping each other out, supporting each other, encouraging each other, helping each other learn the lessons that we need to learn. A great, big, beautiful family. It's always based on love. We might have our ups and downs, our differences sometimes, challenges. At the end of the day, though, it's all based on love. We are all here because we truly, divinely love each other and agreed to come here and help each other out. Help ourselves and help each other. We are all connected as one. What is in me is also within you, and what's in you is also in me. What you do in your life helps me, and what I do in my life helps you. We make a huge difference together in this world. All the energy we put forth benefits us, everyone around us, and the entire world. Let that sink in. See the great big impact you have, the effect you have, the ripple you send out with your thoughts, with your words, with your deeds, with your actions. See how we are all one. And how blessed we are to be one. Letting go of any concerns, any fears about separation. In divine love, there is none. There's only unity. No matter what others may act out, no matter what this world may present to you, know the spiritual truth that we are all one. We are all here helping each other to remember that. To be the presence of divine love for ourselves, for each other, for our family. Love everyone as if they are part of your family, because they are. Every single one. Divine love is unconditional. It loves everything and everyone, whether you know them or not. No matter what, we are all one. Accepting these truths, how connected we are, one great big family. Learning from each other, growing together. Spread your smiles everywhere. Say your highs to everyone. Welcome everyone. Remind them that we are all family. And we can all get along. Yes, we can. Divine love knows how. Divine love finds a way. You will find a way. Take this time thanking our guides and angels and all the beautiful messages that came through. Gathering up all that beautiful energy, coming back to this time, back to this place. Remembering the truth that we are all one. Happy Family Day, everyone. Remember this truth every single day and celebrate that we are all one great big family every single day.